What's good, beautiful people? You still tuned in right here to Nice Entertainment with your host with the most. Out here we've got a crew and we've got Jessica Tamara who just went on stage. Guys, please tell us, how is the energy out there? We're out here at PTA Freedom Park with Centum. Tell us, how's the vibe out there?
So people are looking beautiful and all fancy, you know. But like I'm not deep, but okay.
Tamara, tell us, what do you do? What is your speciality? And what were you guys called in for today?
Okay, my name is Jessica Tamara, aka greatness over any territory. And I am an upcoming artist from Thembisa 1632.
Okay.
I have a new single out, Estradini, and we actually performed it on stage today. And another song with Zola 7, Feleba. And it's not out yet, but it's coming soon. Please be on the look. And yeah, that's what I do. I do music.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, it actually makes sense why she's got a music band and crew next to her right now. So I'm gonna ask one of the boys to tell us who they are, what they represent, and where they come from. So, Maji, tell us, what's the name of your crew and where do you guys come from?
Our name of the crew is Team J.
Okay.
Come from Thembisa.
Oh, okay. And what are you guys known for, my guy?
Okay, Tamara is from Mambisa.
Okay, Mambisa, okay.
16
Okay.
So we do dance and we came here for Jessica.
Oh, okay. Shout out Jessica, shout out Jessica.
We came from the same place.
Okay.
So, on.
You already heard it, guys. Dance crew, Jessica. Make sure you check them out. Nice Entertainment, Zany, Bambino. We out here, baby. Let's go. Thank you so much, Tamara. Truly appreciate it.